The given graphs provide information about the loss of productivity in agricultural lands. To be more specific, the pie chart lists the main reasons for the loss of productivity in agricultural areas, while the table presents the impact in three major countries affected from 2002 to 2012. Overall, the pie chart clearly shows that the greatest cause of land degradation is usually overgrazing. The table identifies that the country with the most severe loss of agricultural productivity was Italy, with significantly higher degradation than Russia. The least affected country was Germany, which experienced relatively low degradation. According to what is shown, overgrazing is the most significant reason for agricultural land degradation with a value of 32%. The other two categories have similar values with 30% for deforestation and 28% for overcultivation. The category for other causes is the lowest at 10%. In 2002 to 2012, Italy had by far the greatest percentage of land degradation at 23%, and the main cause for this was deforestation at 9.8%, followed closely by overcultivation at 7.7%. Additionally, Russia had a total of 13% of its agricultural land rendered unusable, and the main reason for this was overgrazing at 11.3%. In comparison, Germany had the lowest levels of degradation at 5%, mostly caused by overcultivation, 3.3%. Total words, though so thus. Stay tuned with Anthony Sir for such videos. Like, subscribe and share.